Hey everybody, it's Mike. Just thought I'd explain some circle-related SAT questions using Desmos. I'm a big fan of Desmos and amazed at how powerful it is. But let's go ahead and give this question a whirl here. All right, so we're given an equation for a circle. Let's go ahead and retype that into Desmos. Get x plus 3 quantity squared plus y minus 1 quantity squared is equal to 25. And then I'm just going to grab this and move it over. I don't know if you know you can do that, but you can, and zoom out a little bit. Then it says, which of the following points does not lie inside the circle? So all we have to do is type in the points. And the way you type in points is, got to use the parentheses. -7, comma 3, boom. So there's a point. We'll label it A. Hey. Whoops, not like that. What are you doing? Label it, hey, good. Okay, next point, come on. Boom, -3, comma 1, we'll label that B. B. Next point, I don't really need to label this, kind of see that it's the origin, but we're going to label it C since it's answer choice C. And, why not? We're being consistent. And then we have 3, comma 2. And we'll label this point D. So as you can plainly see, the correct answer is D. That is the point that is outside of the circle. But you see how easy Desmos makes this. All you need to do is be really careful about minimizing careless mistakes. That is, don't miscopy anything. And you're probably going to be fine if you've got a question like this and you're trying to answer it using Desmos on the SAT. Let's take a look at another question. All right, here we have a pretty straightforward circle question. Let's go ahead and type this equation straight into Desmos. We get x squared plus 20x plus y squared plus 16y is equal to -20. There we go. So now you get this lovely circle, and we can see that Desmos has already gone ahead and stuck little gray points at the end points of this diameter here. It'll also give you the coordinates of the leftmost point of this diameter, the horizontal diameter too, if you mouse over it. But you can see it's already made these gray points, meaning this is a diameter, meaning -10 must be the x coordinate for the center of the circle. And then we can figure out that the y coordinate of the center of the circle must be -8. So we know the center of the circle is -10, -8. There you go. Looks like the center. All right, so just another example of how easy Desmos can make things. Hope you got a lot out of that, and I'm going to go ahead and post some more of these just because I'm so fascinated with how incredibly powerful Desmos is when you use it on appropriate questions on the SAT.